That don't sound good.
All right, Joey. Smokey Joe Mullen. See what we got here, buddy. Whoa, mama.
That don't sound good. Just hopefully that thing's just loose. Is there a screw laying down here maybe or something from the blower wheel? All right. Get this out of here, bro. Should have went fishing again today, Joe. I should have went fishing again today, buddy. I should have went fishing again today. Look at this shit. Oh, stupid shit. Oh, why? Okay, so we got this sitting here. Careful with this shit. The board's all burnt and shit. I'm gonna have to take this out apart. Oh my. It's not that simple, brother. It's not gonna be that simple, man. The blower wheel is gone.
What do you mean? Can I see?
Yeah, I'll show you in a second, man.
Like it's busted?
Yeah.
So it's banging up, so it's all bent up?
Yeah. It's gone. What do I got here? What am I using for heat? Orange? Be careful with the board, man. You got a zip tie in that bag somewhere? I got one here. Yeah, if you don't mind. No wonder I can't fucking see. I'm like, why can't I see?
You got prescription on?
I got your fucking prescription lenses on. I'm like, bro, I'm fucking going blind this morning. What the fuck is going on? I can't see. Recording with your glasses. Okay. Man, this ain't gonna be good. I'm just gonna have to take all this apart, bro. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that, Joe. I don't want to do that. You know what I mean? It's lazy Thursday, you know? You got that?
Yep.
See if I can get myself in the prick. Okay. Now, please just be a loose blower wheel. I don't want to. All right, so we got to get this out of here.
You want to hand it down to me?
You got it? All right, let's see if we can find a wheel for that thing. Wheels on the bus go round and round, you know what I mean? But, huh?
Take this straight outside.
Yeah, let's just take it downstairs. It shouldn't be under that bad anyway. Bada bing. All right. Look at that. See this inside here? Look. See that?
Oh yeah. I see.
Okay, give me my that wrench, that long wrench again. See if I can find something that'll fit this. See that? You see that lube?
The welds broke.
Look at that. Where's that lube?
I'm gonna put the wrench back in here.
Hmm.
Your wrench went back in there.
That's fine.
Do we fill the whole thing or just the?
No, you just buy the wheel. You don't have to get the whole
Just
squirrel
open-
cage.
you
Yeah.
Just open this up.
Yeah,
Rich.
take these off, put that back in there. And then where's my little bit? Yeah, we take this out here. This little guard right here.
I'm gonna put this away.
What's that, buddy?
I'm gonna put this away.
Okay. You should be doing this, not me, but whatever. You should be doing this, Joseph. Okay. So how does this wheel go back in here? How do you remember how this wheel goes back in here?
It's a good question.
Okay, so look. This is spun around different ways. This is where your set screw goes, right? So that's going to be facing away from the motor, right? The motor goes in this way, right?
Yep.
So then just make sure that this is always facing away. All right. So I just took this little guard off right here. You've cleaned the blower wheel before, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You're good. You know what the fuck's going on, Joey.
I just didn't know that. The answer to that.
Well, now you know, right?
Yeah. Your set screw goes on the opposite side.
Yeah. Imagine you can put it the other way, but good luck with that. I'm going to say a 10 by... What's that, buddy?
Going back to the return.
10 by 12. Let me make a call, see if I can get one of these jokers.
This one's like a half.
Looks perfect.
That'll work right here, brother.
That'll work?
Yep.
Okay.
How much is this $20 blower wheel?
Huh?
How much is this $20 blower wheel?
Let's see.
All right. So how's that going there, Joe? Yep. Look at that, huh? Smokey Joe, huh? Okay. Put this motor in here.
Bring it over on its side.
Yeah. Slap that motor down in there. It hadn't been for Smokey Old Joe.
I
I've
seen
been
you
there.
marked it.
Hmm?
I seen you marked it.
That's where the wires go, yeah.
You guys don't have to knock when you come in, by the way.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yep, put it down in there. That don't matter. That's the slot where the screw goes. That's it. That ain't gonna matter. We're just gonna put this on, and then we'll put the rest of it together up there.
You want to put these screws in first, or?
I don't have them down here. Where's the screw gun? Okay.
Do you tighten it down while it's up there, or do it there?
Yeah, do it up there, but put this piece in. This deflector here. Cover. Cover, whatever you want to call it, diffuser, holder. It hadn't been for Smokey Old Joe. It hadn't been for old Smokey Joe.
Hold on, let go. Right there. Right there.
Yep. Done. Put this in and go screw around the rest of the day, huh? All right. All right. We got this back in here.
What is this thing?
What is that thing? It's a nipple pincher.
Oh, to pull fuses?
Yes.
Fuse.
Yep. Fuse puller. 21-year-old furnace, Joe. Will it run again?
Pull that little screw out of there.
Where?
Down there.
Little nail. Put all this shit in here.
No, that's just.
That's a grommet, yeah. Ah.
That's
All right.
go over these.
It hadn't been for Smokey Joe. I'd been out of business a long time ago.
Alright, this finish, that wire's good, or is it pulling on it?
Yeah. All right. Scalpel. Okay, where is the other screw?
Up on, it should be up on top.
Okay. Get this board back in.
Fucker.
What?
That's a big fucker.
The halibut?
Yeah, where'd you catch that?
San Diego, bro. Right down in the bay. I had my daughter with me when I caught that. A good luck charm. And my wife, of course. They were like, oh, that's cool. I'm like, you guys don't understand. You guys do not understand. This fish right here, he's a big one. Okay, I get it. Okay. What am I missing here? Strangers and all. Okay. I'm scared to be messing around with this board. Okay, let's see if this thing works. Plug that in for me, please. Give me that jumper. Should be a jumper in my bag, a magnetic one here. Ooh. Ooh. No, maybe the short pro tool.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Does that one have a nipple in the end?
It broke off. Man, that's the only thing I hate about them fucking things, bro. Fucking stupid, bro. Ratchet. I don't know how many of those things I went through. You just gotta trim it off, though. Trim it off. Start over again.
I soldered the one you gave me.
Yeah, you can do that, yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. String. See. See, we still got shake, rattle, and roll going on here. Alrighty. Go down and turn the thermostat on, cool. Wait a second. Back in action. Let's get out of here, Joe.